Hello and welcome along, and something very special today. We're going to jump straight into it because we're going to be unboxing this. And as you've seen from the thumbnail, have you worked out what it is? It's a keyboard replacement by Azeron, and it is so unique. It is absolutely fantastic. I just had to get hold of one, and this came in the post very recently. So I'm going to unbox it today, and then we're going to do a full review of it, and I'm going to be doing it from a console gamer's perspective, because this, I'd say, was predominantly for PC, but I'm going to be linking up to the consoles, the PS5, the Xbox, and the Nintendo Switch as well, just to see how it fares. Okay, so here it is then. We're going to unbox it, just to show you what you get for your money. When you open it up, pull here. So in the box, you get a quick setup guide, and then this, pull here. Box of accessories, I guess, and then here it is. Have you ever seen anything like it? The nearest thing I could say was something from like Razer or Logitech, the one-handed keyboard. This takes it to a whole new level, okay? So let me quickly, briefly explain what this is before I run through all the bits and bobs you get with it. It's essentially a keyboard replacement. So your hand goes on this wrist pad here, and all of these gold bits are buttons. Okay, so there's 4 there, 4 there, 5 there, 6 there, and 1 there. And then you've also got a joystick there, so W, A, S, and D, I'd say, moving forward and back, left and right. And then a multi-directional in there. Okay, so let's just quickly go over the accessories, what you get with it. Let's have a look. Okay, so USB cable, nice. That will plug in there. Another wrist pad, so a different sized wrist rest for there. Replacement one. Miniature tools and some replacement thumbsticks. So, yep. So that will pop off, and you can get some different sized ones in there, and some miniature tools like a little Allen key and a small screwdriver to replace some bits. Let's pop that back on. And then this is a screwdriver. You also get this as well, so nice. You get a 3D printed key ring. Nice. And then a screwdriver. Oh, this is quality, and a quality screwdriver. So I'll be using that in most of my videos. And if you look closely as well, you can see, I won't be able to show on this camera, I'll get a close up. It says Azeron on the screwdriver as well. Always good to have extra branding. Nice. Okay, so let's go over this in a little bit more detail. So we have the wrist pad here. Like we said, we've got a spare one there if we need to change it over. And if you look over here, you can customize what it says there. So I've got console and tech accessories written there. I think it's about 8 characters you can get. 2 LEDs, so it shows the profile, because you have 2 different profiles you can set, and the different profiles are changed simply by pressing that, and it will tell you they're the different profiles. And then moving up here, we have the 4 what are called towers, and these are adjustable left to right, and these slide forwards and backwards. So if I flip it over, you can see here and here, actually that screw there and that screw there, you would unscrew them with the Allen key, and you can move this forward and backwards depending on how far away you want it or how long your fingers are. So if like my finger was never reached that, I would just unscrew that and I would move it down there, so I'll be able to fit my fingers in there. They have them on every one of those. You move them all forward and backwards, and then here, these screws here, undo them a little bit, and this can move left and right. You can have them spaced out if you like, a little bit more, or that way. And then once you've got it all set up, just tighten them up. I have watched the setup video already, as you can tell. And then 4 pads, 4 rubber pads there to stick on there, with another 6 up there, just to ensure that it sticks to the desk properly. And you can change the colours. I've gone for black and gold for the Death Stranding kind of vibe. And as you can see, the cable's under there. It just looks brilliant, doesn't it? Absolutely fantastic. I really, really can't wait. Like I'm saying, I'm going to be going it from a console player's perspective, not from a PC player's perspective, to see what we can do. See if it helps us out on the PS5, the PS4, Xbox, and as well, I really want to try it out on the Switch. All these pieces are 3D printed, and they are beautiful. They're really, really well made, and it's really, really solid. Let's quickly, we'll do this in the review, but we'll get it weighed as well. So this just shows you how solid it is. 482 grams. It's a hefty piece of kit. It does feel beautiful, beautiful quality. Okay, so go and have a look on the website. You can customize it to go and get the right color, the text on there and all sorts, and go and have a look. It is a superb product. The reviews have been fantastic. I can't wait to review it, so I'm going to go off and I'm going to review it. I just wanted to show you what you get for your money and all the bits and bobs that comes with it, and I'm now going to go off, have a play with it and see what I can do. If you're new, do subscribe, hit that bell icon, because then you'll be notified of when the video drops of me playing this with the Nintendo Switch. Any questions you've got about it, do drop them down below. I'll happily answer them. If you want me to go over anything else before the review, do let me know, and I'll happily answer them for you. Please do stick a thumbs up, please do subscribe, and I really do look forward to the next video on this. Okay, that's been everything for this from the unboxing of the Azeron Gamepad. I've been Console and Tech Accessories, and until the next video, bye bye.